We are fixing that awkward vertical video frame and converting it into a proper widescreen horizontal video inside CapCut on your PC right now. First, open up CapCut and drag your vertical video clip straight down into your main timeline. When you look up at the main preview player in the center of your screen, you will notice empty space on the left and right sides. To change this default project layout, move your mouse down to the bottom right corner of that preview screen where it says ratio. Click on that button and select 16:9, which is the standard horizontal layout for platforms like YouTube. Now, that change instantly flips your preview workspace sideways, but your video is still sitting as a slim vertical strip in the middle. The fastest way to fix this is by scaling up your footage. Click directly on your video clip in the timeline, then head over to the top right panel where it says Video and click on Basic. You can grab the scale slider and drag it to the right until the video completely fills up the widescreen frame. In my case, I usually click and drag the video up or down in the preview player to keep the subject centered. The important thing is to watch out for the trade-off here. When you zoom in far enough to fill a horizontal frame, you end up cropping off a massive portion of the top and bottom of your original shot. If your footage has key details near the top or bottom edges, this scaling method cuts them completely out. If you do not want to lose any part of your original shot, there is a second approach using the canvas feature. Leave your clip scale at 100%. So your full video frame stays visible. In the top right panel under the Basic tab, scroll down to where it says Canvas. Click the drop-down menu right next to it and select Blur. CapCut offers 4 different levels of blur, so pick the one that looks best to you. This takes a copy of your clip, blurs it out, and fills those empty black bars on the side. You can also choose color or pattern if you want a solid backdrop instead. Now, that goes both ways. You get to preserve your full original image without cutting off top and bottom details, but you give up that seamless full screen feel because those blurred side panels can sometimes distract viewers. Once you pick your preferred style, review your video playback, head to the top right corner and click Export. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.